Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to set up a Tailscale Exit Node. So if you want to route all your internet traffic through your home network while traveling, or secure your connection on public Wi-Fi without configuring complex VPS service, Tailscale makes it effortless. So this node routes your laptop or mobile web traffic through a single trusted machine in your network. So we can configure your host device, like a Raspberry Pi, Linux or Windows PC, to act as your exit node. If you want a more detailed explanation, make sure to refer to this little article here where this is also explained. So if you're on Linux, open your terminal and enable IP forwarding by running this command, this first one right here, guys, and into your sysctl configuration, and then apply the changes. Next, tell Tailscale to advertise this device as an exit node. So for that, you're using this command right over here. And on Windows or Mac OS, let me switch to that. You need to right-click the Tailscale trail icon, select Exit Node, and click Run as Exit Node. Now, Tailscale requires security approval in your dashboard before any client device can route traffic through it. So you open up your browser, log in into your Tailscale admin console, click Machines, and view your connected devices. Find your host machine, click the three dots menu, and select Added Route Settings, and tick the box next to Use as Exit Node, and click Save. That's all you have to do. Enjoy, my friends, and thank you for watching.